Hello guys, just gonna make a video to show you some of the things that I've done. I've built this circuit and it's basically does the same job as a 555 timer circuit, but instead it can pulse really high frequencies above 1,000,000 Hertz. So I've got my probe attached to that output of there. I've put all nice connectors on it so it won't look all messy. It uses a CD404 chip and there's a 10k pot attached to it, running off a 6-volt battery. And I didn't invent this circuit, it was on cooldudeclem's channel, and it works extremely well, as you could see on there. I'll just turn the brightness up a little bit, and yeah, that my oscilloscope is at the top setting there, 1 microsecond per centimeter, and I'm just going to turn the frequency of this circuit up, and it confuses the scope a bit, but you can see that's got a bit higher, and but that's the highest it can go. Let's see if we can get it right. So that is very high frequency. The sine waves are quite clean. I mean, square waves are really clean, and it does go down to quite a low frequency as well. You can see the scope's actually pulsing there, so because you can still see the I'll just turn it up a bit. You could see the square wave is basically flawless. So this circuit is excellent, and I would recommend, if you're building a solid state Tesla coil, I'd recommend you use it. Now also, I've got these connectors that I'll be using to build the solid state Tesla coil. They're really nice little connectors. I've got 20 of them here for £3.50 on eBay. They're really good, and I'll be able to have these in the board, and they all clip together as well really nicely, so it can be nice and neat. I'll be using that for the gate drive circuit. Also, my computer is not working. This is what it says: startup repair, your computer was unable to start. Startup repair is checking your system for problems, blah blah blah, and it does this for hours and hours and does nothing. It's not letting me on at all. It actually did this as straight after I did my Tesla coil tests, so I'm a bit worried it was that, but actually I cleaned it out. I'll just take it apart. It's really easy to take apart. I'll just take the cover off. I cleaned it all out, and that CPU fan, I've put that shiny guard on it because I had one of them from another computer I took apart. The graphics card, I cleaned that out, and I cleaned it with the hoover very gently with a gentle brush on the end. But when I put it back together, it worked completely fine. But then after like a day, it just started doing this. So hopefully it should work, but I'm not very hopeful. I'm quite skeptical it's gonna work. So see you in the next video.